Welcome to 98 San Jacinto. We're in the Four Seasons Residence building and I'm gonna show you around unit 1103. As you can see, we are on the 11th floor. We are in one of the largest units that the building has to offer. It's gonna be a 2707 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath unit. So let's take a look around. There's lots of custom features and lots of fun things to take a look at. And as you can see, as soon as you walk in, you have escaping views of the city skyline, of the new Marriott building that just opened, all the fun things that happen downtown. And then as you come into the building, you do have views of the river straight off of your first balcony. And this unit, with the size that it is, does feature 2 large balconies, one private and one for guests to use as well. So we're in the main living of this unit. As you can see, you've got your formal dining, your living room with lots of built-ins, and then an expansive kitchen. The kitchen does feature all Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator, built-in cabinetry for your pantry, and then wine refrigerator. You've got your low decibel dishwasher, which makes living in a downtown kind of smaller scenario much easier, and then your dual sink, one for cleaning vegetables and things like that, and then the other for dirty dishes. You also have this kind of fun feature of the movable center island in the unit, which makes prepping and entertaining a lot easier and more functional. As we come around, you will see you've got a large dining area that comes out, as we talked about, onto the patio that's for guests to use as well. Lots of entertaining space in this particular unit. And again, you've got city views all the way around, and it takes you straight down onto the river, which you've got some great river views or Lake Austin views, Lady Bird Lake, from this vantage point. As you come around, you've got your 3rd bedroom down this way, or flex space, however needed for you and your family. They needed it as a flex space, so as you can see, they used it as a media room. But again, you've got walls of windows, expansive views, you are in the heart of the city. You've also, down this way, got views of the Four Seasons Hotel. So you've got lots of things to take a look at and have fun with. As we go around to the other side of this half of the unit, we're gonna come over to the master with its own private balcony as well that overlooks a different city view. So as you follow me, you have your large master bedroom, king-size bed, plenty of extra room to put a reading nook or a couch, whatever suits your fancy, I guess. And then you've got your walk-in closet with all the built-ins, center island, lots of storage space for all the things that you guys have. It goes around on the door, so you have plenty of space, and there's lots of Texas flair in there with our antlers. Around this way, you've got your master bathroom. Again, a really, really deep soaking tub. Lots of designer touches with the gray and white marbles. Your expansive mirror with designer lighting and things of that nature. And then you've got, so that you don't feel enclosed, you have the fogged glass windows for everything, just to make the space feel as large as it possibly can. Additionally, in the master, should you want additional privacy, you do have a private entrance to the unit off of the hallway. And additional storage down here with an extra linen closet. So you have total autonomy in this particular unit to come and go as you please. You also do have your private balcony off of this side of the building as well, with some additional city views. So let's go and take a look on the other side of the unit, which actually is the guest quarters, so that your guests can have complete privacy as well. As you come down this hallway, we're back at the front, you're gonna have your half bath here, so that when you're entertaining, no bathroom has to be shared. You don't have to tidy up after yourselves, and you don't have to ask your guests to either, so that's always nice. And then you have this long hallway that leads you into your guest quarters. Lots and lots of storage in this unit. You've got a huge walk-in closet, again with built-ins and all the fun things for whatever storage you need, and downtown storage is definitely an added bonus. So we'll take a look there, and then we come into, yet again, a huge bedroom. And in this particular bedroom, you have really, really spectacular lake views as well. So your guests can wake up, and I would actually switch the bed if it were me, and put them so they're seeing the beautiful lake views. You also have a full bath again, big soaking tub, large vanity, and full shower in this bedroom suite as well. And then the last room down this hallway is an incredible study. Walls of wood paneling, just dark wood. It's very earthy. It feels like a man's cigar parlor, study room. It's really spectacular when you're in this room. Again, you've got views of the lake from this vantage point, a double desk for everybody to work from, and then lots of additional storage. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on this tour of 98 San Jacinto Unit 1103. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2707 square foot unit in the Four Seasons residence. You've got all of the amenities of the Four Seasons and a private concierge. This unit also does come with a garage storage building or closet as well. So give me a call. My name is Stephanie Wolfslager, 512-547-0604 with the Gina Ront team. Happy to answer any questions you might have.